I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Voltage, your one-stop shop for enterprise-grade infrastructure for the Lightning Network. You can spin up your own Lightning node, your own BTC Pay server, or get inbound liquidity with their Flow product. Check them out now at voltage.cloud and get up and running in minutes.
Guys, what has me absolutely bullish this week, even more so than normally, is the absolute dumpster fire that's going on in legacy markets. I don't know how many of you follow it very closely, but it is a hot mess. For those that didn't catch it this week, the U.S. Treasury yield curve inverted. It was the first time the 10-2, that specific duration, inverted since 2019. And in the past, the inversion of the yield curve has been a very strong indicator that a recession is coming. And what I think is most interesting about this and why I'm so bullish about Bitcoin with respect to this is because all the projections that the fiat maximalists talked about coming out of COVID, they have not come to fruition. We're barely chugging along trying to keep the economic engine working. They spent trillions of dollars of that toilet paper money we talked about, and now we're slipping back into recession, it seems like. And I see this mess of a system where you've got the yield curve completely broken, you've got the credit markets broken, you've got legacy just kind of chugging along, can't figure out where it's going to go. And then you have this pristine, perfect growing system for all the reasons you talked about today right next to it. And it's almost too perfect, right? It's like poetic that you've got this system falling apart on one side and this other system rising to fill the need that we have in the world. So looking at all that's going on, I still follow a lot of the legacy markets, traditional markets. And the reason I do, because every time I learned how fundamentally broken it is, it makes me want to get more excited about Bitcoin. So for me, there's nothing more bullish than that. It's usually most weeks, but this week in particular, with the inversion of the yield curve, it's got me pretty amped up.